What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a beautiful looking, well-designed website automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To build your website automatically using Claude, we're going to add our prompt right here to instruct it and tell it the kind of website I would like it to generate for us. I've gone ahead and added the prompts to a Google Docs right here. So we'd like to generate a website with a homepage, a service page, an about page, a work or case studies page, and a contact page. So now here for the homepage, we are telling it design a bold modern homepage for our website, which in this case we're going to call it Authority Forge, a business automation agency that helps owner-operated service businesses eliminate manual tasks through automation. They should feel alive and exciting to land on, not a safe, templated SaaS site. I want visitors to feel something in the first 2 seconds. And then here we're going to more details on the kind of aesthetics I would like you to follow. Here we're outlining the sections I would like to include to our homepage. So we'd like to include a hero section, a condensed service preview section, a wire section, and a closing call to action section. We're also going into more details on the navigation bar. And here we're also outlining the unique dynamic features that would like you to include to our homepage. Here you can see we're also outlining the tone that would like you to use as it generates for us our homepage. The second prompt is the service page right here. We're telling it to use the exact same design, system, typography, color, and motion style as the homepage and build the service page. Show an interactive showcase of automation, use cases, lead follow-up, client communication, reporting, etc. Each with its own expanded or scroll reveal details section. And then here you can see the prompt for the about page. We're telling it to use the exact same design system as the homepage to build the about page. Present the agency's approach and credibility with the bold visual statements or animated start counter rather than a wall of text. Keep the same navigation, typography, motion style. Then for the case study page, you're telling it use the exact same design to build the case study page. Present the results as a immersive gallery or scroll-driven showcase. Each case study should feel like its own moment, not a static card. Keep the same navigation and visual language. Then for the contact page, we're telling it to use the exact same design as the homepage to build the contact page. Should be striking, high energy layout, big type, bold color block, animated call to action, and a simple contact form. Keep the same navigation and motion style here. So here I'll copy this prompt right here. Then I'll go back to Claude and paste it right here and hit enter. So now let's give it a second for it to generate our site for us. Here you can see it successfully generated our site from our prompt right here with all these different pages and sections in our homepage. Let's preview our site. So here we gave it these comprehensive prompts. We copy right here. Then we went ahead and built our site right here. Then to preview the site, I wanted to preview it in artifacts. And then on the right, you can see our site. Now let's preview our website that is generated for us right here. To do that, I'm going to expand it right here. And here you can see the name of our sites and our pages right here in this navigation bar. You can also change the mode. So here you can see the light mode or the dark mode. And here you can see the link to book a call. You can see the homepage right here with all these different features. This is amazing. You can see the buttons to get started right here. You can see the details of what we do right here. So lead follow-up, client communication, and reporting right here. can see some trust badges right here. We don't sell software, we sell back the hours you lost running your business twice. Right here, you can see the call to action to get started right here, and you can see the footer right here. So we can include more sections right here, maybe like the pricing section, case study section, and any relevant sections to our homepage right here. This is amazing. But so far, I like the color and I like the layout of our homepage. Looks really professional. Let us review the services page. To do that, I'm going to click this link right here, and here you can see the services that we offer. So we offer lead follow-up systems right here. You can see it's explaining and going into more details on how to set up the lead follow-up for your business. Same as client communication right here, scheduling and dispatch, invoicing and reporting, and reviews and referrals right here. This is amazing. So we can decide to go into more details on the services, maybe include a couple of more services that we offer. But so far, I like the layout and I like how it looks. This is amazing. Let us review the about section, the about page. So here you can see the about page right here. Here, you can also see how we work right here, and you can click this link to view our work. This is amazing. So our about page consists of why clients should choose us here, how many clients we've worked with, and how we work. It's amazing. So let us preview the work page, and here you can see the case studies right here, previous clients or prospects that we've worked with before. This is amazing. So these are real shops, real bottlenecks, real numbers. We can scroll through. So first case study is for a residential HVAC company. This is just an example. The other case study was for a landscaping company. We connected job completion to instant invoicing and payment reminders, so no more Sunday night paperwork. The other one was for a salon group, where we automated the request for reviews right after checkout. So for the work page, we're listing our case studies right here. And then below, we are adding this link for them to book a call with us. This is awesome. And the last page is a contact page. I'll click on it right here. And here you can preview our contact page right here, where clients, prospects, or anyone visiting our site, if they'd like to contact us, they can fill in their name right here, business name, what they run, and their bottleneck right here, and then they can send a message to us right here. It's amazing. Or they can decide to email us directly using this email right here. This is amazing. This is a real beautiful website that is generated for us right here, selling our services. Of course, there's so many things that we can include to our site. We can tell it to maybe include a couple of images right here. You can tell it in the case studies page. You can tell it to include a couple of images right here to go with the case studies. But I love the site, and it really looks amazing and professional. This is awesome. We can try and include a couple of more sections to homepage right here, more vital and crucial sections. So to do that, I'm going to collapse it right here, and I'm going to tell Claude we would like to include the testimonial section, custom pricing section, FAQ section, and a contact form section here. Then I'm going to hit enter. Give it a second for it to include our sections to our site. You can see it successfully included the section that we asked it right here. So it included the testimonial section, pricing section, FAQ section, and the contact form section right here in our homepage. Let us preview our site. I'll expand it right here to preview our site. So let us scroll down below to preview the new sections that it included. So you can see the testimonials, the 3 testimonials that is included right here. Okay. It also included the pricing section right here. This is amazing. This is awesome. And here you can see the frequently asked questions right here. And here you can see the contact form right here. This is amazing. Below we have a bit of the call to action. So this is amazing. So yeah, the testimonials, and here's our pricing. This is awesome. So we charge for a single automation is $750, a one-time fee. For 3 to 5 automations is $2,400 plus $400 a month for maintenance, and you can customize the price for the lead depending on the workflows or automation that we're going to set up for them. And you can see the FAQ questions. How fast can automations actually go live? Do I need new software? Does this work with what I already have? What if my team is in Turkey? Is this different from a chatbot or generic template? And what happens after the automations go live? This is amazing. Then here they can fill in our form to send us a message, or they can directly email us right here using this email. This is really incredible. You can continue customizing and adding sections or items to your site just by prompting Claude, like we did right here. We can do the same with the service page, about page, work page, and the contact us page. So any single section or item or image, copy, design, anything that you'd like to include to the site, you have to do is just prompt it right here, and Claude will go ahead and include the items to your site right here. You can see it's also providing the code that you can download and maybe share it to your developer, or with another tool that you can use to host your site after it's already done. You can download the code and upload it to a tool like Netlify or Vercel to deploy and host your site. But for now, I'm really impressed with our site and how it looks with all these different sections right here. This is how you can generate a professional looking website for absolutely free using Claude. If you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.